This week's episode is sponsored by Dewars and the coronavirus. Without these sponsors, I wouldn't be able to be here to work on the Mustang. This right here is the heater tube. Kind of camouflage because it's been on the car for 30 years, but when you swap over to the freaking GT40 setup, just you need to swap over to the Cobra heater tube so you can delete the extra coolant line, because if you don't, then you'll have to put a cap on it, and the cap is going to leak coolant out of your car slowly, so you'll be constantly refilling it, having an air bubble in your system. You don't want that, so that's why you got to get this thing. Check it out. It's shiny, it's new. It doesn't have that extra piece on it that you don't need, so you can get this off of LMR. It's expensive, like $80. God damn it. You're gonna have to take the alternator off.
They're just burping the cooling system. Got the heater pipe installed, now we're just waiting for it to get up to temp. Shouldn't be too much longer. Shit, heavy.
So yeah, once it gets up to temp, the coolant level in the radiator drops because it starts circulating. Then you put a shit ton more coolant in, close it, and turn the car off. Your order may vary depending on how much you panic.